Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am partaking in the collaboration with Joanne from Happymail Stamper, and the idea is to make something for friends. So if you want to see how I transform these coasters into these Happymail items, stay tuned. But before I get started, I just want to ask you to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to you. So to start, I just took some scrap paper and I cut a piece out of paper that I could fit right on the back. And I'm gonna punch a hole or a half a hole at the top. Just like that, because we're gonna be creating this so that it's a pocket and you could stick something right in there. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut another one of these out because I don't want to see that orange. So I cut out two pieces now, and I'm going to put this one on, and I don't mind if a little orange sticks out. I just, when you have that for the pocket, I didn't want to see the orange underneath like that. That kind of looked ugly. So that's why I went ahead and I made the two. So now I'm just going to attach that. I'm gonna use the fabric tack to attach on this bottom layer, and then I'll probably use something else when I get to this part. Let me think about it. So let's start with the fabric tack. This orange is like a foam, I don't know, but I like the fabric tack, so we're gonna use that for today. So this one's dry, and now I'm gonna use, this is some diamond, I don't know what kind of glue this is, but I'm gonna put it just on the edges here so we could create our little pocket. So this is the ribbon that I selected to put as my flip-flop, and I'm gonna use the fabric tack glue to seal the edge down so that you have all clean edges. It's gonna be all clean on this edge, and we're gonna be ending up putting this sort of in place where that was, tucking this under, and we're gonna create a new flip-flop. Very simple. So since the other piece came off so easily, I'm just going to end up trying to get all of this off. And I'm just going to mark a little line sort of where it ended so that I put it back in the same place. So now we got one piece here, and we're gonna make our other piece. I'm just eyeballing this, not doing it to any sort of perfection. If you want to be super precise, that's fine. That's better. It's just easier for me to sort of wing it. So I got my two pieces here, and these are going to be the sides of the flip-flop, and I'm just going to now glue this down. And I'm really winging this. I have not done this. I just thought it would be a fun idea for summertime happy type of mail. Just want to make sure that sticks down. I'm going to put a small bead of glue right next to it. Now that the middle's dry, I'm going to tuck under here the same way I tucked the other. Just sticking that on there to help it dry. That's all I had right next to me. So they each have been glued over one time, and now we're gonna glue them one more for an even neater finish, because you're gonna see the inside of the flip-flop. So we're just going to glue that in. At this point, you want these to be folded over relatively even. I'm eyeballing it, but I'm going to use this clip because I'm pretty much set on how I like it. And I'm gonna glue them up, and then I'm gonna glue them straight down to the flip-flop. And definitely use a generous amount of glue because we want this to stay. And I'm just kind of pinching them tight as the glue dries now before putting them to the flip-flop. So I attached the bottoms of the flip-flop and I even put some bling at the top. So much cuter than just using this foam that it originally came with. So much prettier. You can even use it as a coaster, but I'm still doing it up for a little pocket here for Happymail. So what I thought now was I would take some orange ink to draw in that orange and just edge around the pink. I am thinking this will blend it better, and it actually looks pretty cool. So it just ties in the orange and looks a little bit more pulled together now from the back. And just using my finger, I'm just gonna add some random touches of orange. I actually kind of like how this is turning out to give it that effect. I don't know, I just like it better. It pulled it all together. So that's the back, that's the front. So for this back pocket, I made a tag, and I basically had this tag here I got at the thrift store, well, brand new, but it just didn't go with my theme. So I cut it down some, and I covered up where the red spots were by using some die cuts, and I cut a little strip and used those stickers to write hello. So this would go right in this back pocket because it's tight. It's just to me like something that's cute, but it does fit in, and that's where the string hangs out. And here we go. Here's the little flip-flop. Here's how this turned out. And this is the front, obviously. And here we go with the back. And you could pull your tag gently right out the pocket. And how adorable is this to send somebody in Happymail, guys? So this is a really cute project. Really, really simple. And I've got 3 more, so I'm gonna go ahead and work on those, and I'll show you the rest. So this was the next flip-flop that I created, and it's a pair, so these are on the front, obviously. And on the back side, I made a pocket that was half, because this one could be a little tight, but it still does work. And I thought it was cute if you want to, you know, use this and put something more secretive in there that isn't so obvious. This one makes it a little more simple for a tag because it's a half pocket. And I thought that was really cute. And that's my number 2 flip-flop. Now for this flip-flop here, it's the yellow ribbon I selected to make a pair of 2. And on the back side of this one, I made like a belly band. And again, you see I distressed around with the orange because I thought that tied in that orange foam, but didn't make it look ugly. And the tag fits, these are polka dots on the polka dots, so I thought that was cute. And you just stick that in here, and I attached some of this ribbon. And that's it. Now this one I decided to go a little bit out of the box with for myself, and I made a shaker on the back, guys. So here's the shaker I made. I made it a palm tree shape, and I used tulle on the backing underneath the sequins, and how cute. I just thought this was a really cute thing to send somebody in Happymail. So the sequins move around a little. I'm still working on my shaker style, but I really like this one a lot. This is probably my favorite just because I really do like shakers. So guys, let me know which was your favorite down below. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed my flip on the flip-flops to turn it into something more cute for Happymail. You could actually still use these as a coaster, and if you really want to, it really looks super cute, but my idea was to change it into something you could send and put a sweet note in and send for Happymail. So guys, please don't forget, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.